Dandu Malkapur village located in the Chautuppal Mandal, Yadadri Bhuvanagiри district of Telangana state. The village population is 3,536 and village households 1,126. The village has undergone rapid development and complete change in all aspects. Theme category. The Grama Panchayat covered with the greenery by planting plants at avenue, PPV and awareness among the people to use jute bags. Hence this nominated under the category of Karpal Neutral Visesh Panchayat Puriskar. The village has well-developed roads and planted the trees to reduce the pollution. Grama Panchayat have provided dustbins to every house and educated them how to use and segregate the dry and wet wastage. Every household implemented soak pits and rainwater harvesting structures, and farmers initiated the use of drip irrigation techniques to harvest the crops. With the help of Rustam scheme, solar panels are implemented. With this, electricity is supplied to Gram Panchayat buildings and street lights. Every household in the village and every street covered with LED lights and provided with pure drinking water through taps. The farmers in the village using drip techniques and cultivating the vegetable crops. Challenge faced by the Grama Panchayat. We faced many challenges by the village people to initiate this structure, but we somehow succeeded in educating them. We faced the challenges to implement the sanitation plan. Participation of villagers in Gram Sabha. The people in the village using plastic covers and plastic boxes in their regular day activities. Every household used to combine the dry and wet waste all together.
నేను దండు మల్కాపురం సర్పంచ్. నా పేరు ఎల్వర్తి యాదగిరి. మాది చౌటుప్పల్ మండలం, యాదాద్రి డిస్టిక్. కార్బన్ స్థాయి తగ్గించడం కోసమని మా గ్రామంలో 25,000 మొక్కలను నాటించాము. అదేవిధంగా వర్షపు నీటిని పొదుపు చేయడం కోసమని గుంతలను కూడా ఏర్పాటు చేయించినాము. అదేవిధంగా రైతులను కూడా కూరగాయల వరి పంట నుంచి నీటిని పొదుపు చేసుకుని పంట పండించడం కోసమని కూరగాయలు పండించడానికి కూడా వాళ్ళకు అవేర్నెస్ కూడా కల్పించడం జరిగింది.